Bobo Dog, what are you doing?
Are you feeling sick, Rosie? Rosie,
What are you doing? Are you being a little angel dog? Love you.
No, the flu. It's short for influenza. She's got to stay in bed for a few days, but she'll be better soon.
Hi. Can you give me my big kiss and stuff? I love you. Give me a kiss. Love me a kiss. Mwah.
Sometimes when you're sick, you feel hot.
Weird.
That's called a fever.
you have to stay out of Rosie's room until she's
High five.
again, or you might catch the flu too.
High five.
Right?
Good boy. I love you. My little angel baby. He's so pretty and stuff. I love him. He's so sweet.
Get sick too, so he's